Here I have Motorola Moto E6i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can allow exceptions for this mode. It could be, for example, calls from shared contacts, from all contacts, like from anyone, from contacts only, from shared contacts, or from nobody. The same goes for messages. You can also add like calls, messages, alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders to exceptions. You can restrict sounds from notifications, you can restrict sound and visual from notifications, or you can like set up what you want to restrict and what you don't want to restrict. You can also set up default duration for this mode, and you can also set up a schedule for it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.